somebody who has been good to kini were. Ìwọ lè máa dárúkọ àwọn èèyàn kó sọ̀rọ̀ kó fi bà kárí àwọn èèyàn jẹ́. Ẹni ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá kọjá láti àwọn àníkọ́ dárúkọ ẹ orúkọ wèrè wo ló ní. Ta ló sọ fún ẹ pé orúkọ ẹ wà so important bá dárúkọ ẹ. Ebi ò bọ́ ní ìtúrú ìyàbọ̀ Mr. Anjorin ṣe kọ́kọ́ ó take time kó tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dárúkọ ẹ.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Yomi Fabiyyi ó ti give judgement rẹ̀ ní ẹ̀rín Lizzy Anjorin àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Yomi Fabiyyi tí ó sọ ó ní agbára gidi gan. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú láti máa wo fídíò náà.
Your name on the level to feel a long court to about the crime. And then you see some sick people, our customer package below the social media. Oh yeah, you to mention a name. I wanna who come back and that's all I want to be making on. You keep deceiving your and you went behind me to a package here. I want to suffer that job your meal by service. And you're not saying the court belief. What you are suffering, this is it. Mo kakini e mo orika dada lawyer no orika. So Iyabo Ojo, please tell that court belief. Me save number. Kori contact me. I know it's this Zula in the court case here, my baby. I need to know. I need to get the dates flying. But my son will say because you are the first aggressor. When he came in, my son, kiwo lo advocate. Kenny Oba or princess King Joba. If you can tear the Babakisha down that way, knowing fully well that any Toba or Moyesu, tourist people there to confess is one that one they call it one case to arrest to one say you kept quiet about that, and I'm engaging you as an activist that if you are a child rights activist, I'm challenging you, propel and compel the government to start case with those two. Ebo and it's Ebo Damona they call it drive at security the princess. And when you sexually abused over in 2020, princess here was set by up in 2021. Damona they call it the princess there. Hey, this princess is a actress at the job. I want funny. A meeting on Bomosu. But one will be one mummy. Security to Bomosu. And that same security, like Bokwe or sharing for my elemeji. Damola Adekola was writing in his statement that was before the Honorable Judge Justice Tony Taiwo retired. O Kosibe girlfriend Lomo princess. Paolo Shimakwe an activist and the complainants. O present Omoti Otimbasu. Office set in your hope. O then pay any victim. And the tower pada baspa men die. Baba gesho to ko bondi ko ba ko release la ko se koko. Now any tower baspa men die pẹ̀lú ìjọba e de fojú fo e wa mú ẹni yẹn. Ọlọ́pàá arrest okay government àti mú o. And you all princess ni o to ni o tonto dike ni o gbogbo ẹni o. Toke makiwa ni gbogbo ẹni dákẹ́. That should not, you didn't by the but because they were too loud, if they thought Yomi is having problem with women because they believe because what you go I am bound to keep quiet. It is my field. I am an activist. I am a human rights ambassador. I have interest in human rights fully. American embassy told me lobby me more. They worked with some top Nigerians and foreign media to engage me, to say, this Yomi is called human rights advocate. Let's give him the man. And they called me in. And I promised that I would do my best to pursue the frontiers of human rights in the 4 walls of Nigeria. And they would go share at the American embassy. And you see side the because I don't buy media and you can't condemn your view and you believe I should condemn it with you. That doesn't mean I don't like women. It's because I'm not in the league of those that I'm a party again, I'm a social media party again. But feel like I'm going to tell anybody that